Hi everybody, welcome. Happy Wednesday. We're taking a look at some comparing some rates. So we want to find out which one of these is going to be a better deal, or which one's going to give us a better bang for our buck. So we're looking at three batteries. Let's call that 3B, three batteries for $4.80, or is 12 batteries for $14.76 going to be a better deal? Well, to find that, we want to find out how many batteries we can buy with $1. So to do that, we're going to divide both sides of our equation by $4.80, or just 4.8. Sorry, not both sides of our equation, both sides of our fraction. The numerator and the denominator, divide both of these by 4.8 over here, and that's going to give us $1 on bottom and approximately 0.63 batteries on top. So we know that for $1 in this set, we can buy 0.63 batteries, or about half a battery. Over here, we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to divide both sides by our denominator of 14.76 to find out how much how many batteries $1 can buy us. And we're going to get $1 on bottom and approximately 0.813 batteries here. So from this, we know that we can buy more batteries with $1. We can buy about 0.2 more batteries with $1 for this one, so our better deal is going to be the 12 batteries for $14.76. Awesome. We're taking a look at our second question. We're looking for 22 staplers for $330 or 4 staplers for $80. Which one of these is going to be a better deal? So we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to take, this time we're going to put our money on top. In general, I like to put the larger value on top. I think it makes it easier to work with. I know it's the last one, but in general, I think it's easier if they're around the same value. It doesn't make too much of a difference. We're going to put $330 on top for 22 staplers. So just 22, I'll call it ST. So to find out the cost per stapler, we're going to divide both sides by 22. And that's going to give us one stapler. And 330 divided by 22 is going to be $15 per one stapler. Next, look at our 4 staplers for $80. That's going to be $80 over 4 staplers. Same thing again, we're going to divide both sides by 4. That's going to give us $20 per one staple. Sorry, for one stapler. So from this one, we see that it is cheaper to buy one stapler for $15 than $20 for one stapler. So it's a better deal for us to buy 22 staplers for $330. Also, I want you to pause and resume the video after you've finished watching, after you've solved these two problems. Also, I hope you finished watching these two problems, or solving these two problems. So let's go through 3. This is going to be A and B. 3A, we have $105 for 5 calculators. I want to see if that's a better deal than 24 calculators for $552. So 5C, we're going to divide both sides by 5, top and bottom by 5. Sorry, it's a little messy up there. Trying to preserve space. And that's going to give us $21 per one calculator. Awesome. Now let's compare that to 24 calculators for $552. That's going to be $552 over 24 calculators. We're going to divide both sides by 24. Divided by 24. So we're going to get one calculator down here, and that's going to be $23. So we know that the 5 calculators for $105 is better because it's cheaper per calculator. If we were to buy calculators at this price, we'd be paying $2 more per calculator. So it's cheaper to buy it over here for 5 calculators for $105. For 3B, we're looking at 18 pens for $16.84. So that's going to be 18 pens for $6.84. We want to see the price, how many pens we get for $1. So we're going to divide both sides by 6.84. Divide both sides by 6.84. So when we do that, we're going to get around 2.6 pens per $1 that we spend. So for every dollar we spend, we're going to be able to buy around 2.5 pens. So let's look at 30 pens for $8.40. Same setup there, 30 pens for $8.40. Remember, the smaller value should go in the denominator, just makes it easier for you. Divide both sides by 8.4. Divide both sides by 8.4. And we're going to get around 3.8 pens per $1 we spend. So we get over an entire pen more for buying it at this value, so 30 pence for $8.40 is going to be our correct answer there. Also, I want you to pause and resume once again once you finish these two problems. Alrighty, awesome. Looking at 11 books for $99. So we're going to do our $99 here. We're going to buy 11 books at that price. We'll call that 11B. We're going to divide both sides by 11. That's going to give us $9 per one book. And we'll see if that's a better deal than 29 books for $203. So we're going to set that up. That's going to be $203 for 29 books. We divide both sides by 29. My arrow's been a little sloppy here as I move through this lesson. That's going to give us $7 per one book. So it's going to be a better deal to buy one book for $7 than one book for $9. So this one's going to be our better deal here. This last one here, it's $15.98 for 34 liters of gas, or $4.68 for 12 liters of gas. So we're going to set up as we do the other ones. So we're going to put, made a mistake there. We're going to put our liters of gas on top, 34 liters over $15.98. We need to divide both sides by 15.98. Divided by 15.98 there. Divided by 15.98 there. So we take 34 and we're going to divide that by the amount of gas that we're buying. And that's going to give us around 2.12 liters per dollar. Per $1 that we spend. So let's see if that's going to be a better rate than the $4.68 for 12 liters of gas. We're going to put 12 liters on top here. Over $4.68. We divide both sides by, what's the world's worst division sign? Divide both sides by $4.68. We're going to get $1 on the bottom, and then we're going to divide 12 by $4.68. And we're going to get around 2.56 liters per dollar. So therefore, $4.68 is going to be a better deal because we get more liters per dollar. All right, that's going to be it, everybody. Thank you very much for coming. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see everybody tomorrow.